Hello. The time is 3:47 p.m., August 22nd. This is an eBay order. This is how it arrived. It was listed as a mint condition unit. We shall see. The guy had multiples of them. Just get the information. I do this with all inbound packages, so I don't just single anything out. So let's see. So we've got, looks like a new USB cable. It's a 12 volt 1.5 amp. That's definitely not a Xeltek power supply. We will check that here in a minute and make sure it is center positive. I believe that's what this unit uses, but that's definitely not a Xeltek power supply. And this is the unit. There's another little bag. So this unit has holographic sticker, means it's USA. 15 is the year, day and month right there. So we will power this up. Let's check that power supply first here. Grab a multimeter. I'm always leery on buying these used, but I've had pretty good luck. Okay, I will plug this power supply in. Yeah, the power supply here, it don't say exactly. Looks like it's a it looks like looks like a universal of some sort. But let's check it, make sure. I plug that in. We'll put the meter here. I'll see that. So yeah, another one of my colleagues ordered one. His should be arriving in his country shortly. Yeah, see, that's 12 volt ring positive, center negative. Okay, ring positive, center negative. So, because this is an actual Xeltek AC adapter or power supply. So, I just had mine out just in case. So, because you don't want to hook these up reverse polarity. It's bad news. So, let me put mine up here since we know that that is ring positive, center negative. That's my power supply. Just so you know, this is that power supply. We will system boot 150804A. So that serial number matches. I have to say, this looks like it's in pretty decent shape. Shows some signs of use, but that's expected for a used item. Sure, all the pins are there. Okay, I will get this hooked up to the computer here and get her checked out. But this will do some devices that, surprisingly, the Superpro 6100N and the 7500 don't do. So, and Xeltek will still support this unit. So I did request that Xeltek added a chip to it. We'll see if they do or not. If they do, then I can throw the Surger in the trash. Or Sega, or however you pronounce it. So I will get this hooked to the computer and tested. And if hopefully everything tests out fine.